Good morning, I'm Bobudu Vijayasinghe. My research topic is Impact of Odor to Attractiveness of Land around Karadiyana Dam. It is a common issue to see lower land prices near a garbage dump. So the importance of this research is to identify the factors that contribute for the lower land prices around Karadiyana Dam. Karadiyana Dump is located in Piliyandala in Colombo district of Sri Lanka, and about 25 acres of land has been used for this garbage dump. About 3 million metric tons of garbage has been accumulated in this garbage dump so far, and 500 plus tons of garbage are accumulated daily from 8 local authorities. This research focuses on how significant this dump is in affecting the general land prices in the Karadiyana area, and also to find out any other features that contribute to the change in land prices in this Karadiyana area. Data was obtained using questionnaires regarding prices of land, location of land, odor intensity, distance to nearest bus stop, availability of services, and any other external problem like flooding. This research generates a multiple linear regression model using regression analysis that shows the contribution of each independent variable like water, electricity, distance to bus stop, distance to landfill, distance to Borbona Road, and odor intensity towards the dependent variable price. This research also generates a spatial variation map from ArcGIS that shows the distribution of land prices as point densities in this area. The final regression model can be seen in the bottom part here. The dependent variable price equals 272,300 rupees plus the variable facilities changes the land prices by a value of 99,160 rupees per available facility. If there are 4 values to be input for the facilities from 0 to 3, when all 3 facilities, water, electricity and telephone lines are available, you put the value 3. So respectively you put the values from 0 to 3 according to the available facilities. The distance to bus stop variable changes the land prices by a value of 58.02 rupees per meter length from the bus stop. When the distance to bus stop increases, the land prices decreases by a higher amount. The distance to landfill variable changes the land prices by a value of 682.08 rupees per meter length from the landfill. When the distance to landfill increases, the land prices tend to increase. The distance to Borbona Road changes the land prices by a value of 488.78 rupees per meter length from the Borbona Road. The odor intensity variable changes the land prices by a value of 52,150 rupees per odor intensity. So there are 6 odor intensities from 0 to 5. So when there is a very high odor intensity, the land prices tend to decrease by a high amount. When there is a very less low in odor intensity, land prices tend to decrease by a very less amount. In this PT column, distance to landfill and distance to Borbona Road have very low PT values. They are less than 0.05. Any variable that has a PT value less than 0.05 has a very high significance in towards the dependent variable here. This is the spatial variation map. All prices shown here are land prices per perch. The dump is shown by the star here. The lowest land prices are seen surrounding the garbage dump here. The highest land prices are seen in red color in this area. The reason being the traveling of the Borbona Road in this area. When going away from the dump, the land prices tend to increase, and it can be seen from this map. Benefits of the study. One can identify the extent up to which the land prices are affected by the dump. Also, one can identify the main reasons for lower land prices near the dump. And also, a similar future study can be done after the Karadiyana waste processing facility has been constructed and compared with this research to find the effect from the waste processing facility on land prices. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.